Welcome back to the Late Night Tool Catechism, or more reality-based title would be The Land of Incomplete Project. Tonight we're just going to open up this box here with the central pneumatic cast iron twin cylinder air compressor pump. I've got an old Campbell Hausfield compressor. We'll stitch a little bit of that in right here. So here is my compressor that needs a new pump. I've got it over here in the other shed. As you can see, it's damn cold out. This guy is I've had it forever, used it really hard, and the pump is done. Yeah, it's old and it's dirty, and the pump spews oil and nastiness, and I used the crap out of it. Moved here about 10 years ago. It's been sitting just stored since then, and we're going to take off that old pump. It's a 5 horsepower, and put this guy on here. It's rated at 145 psi, though on my unit I'll keep the old everything, pressure switch included, so I think it runs to 125. That'll be good enough. 5 running horsepower. Motor in my compressor says 5 horsepower. We'll find out. Puts out a ton of air, 17.3 at 40 psi, 15.2 at 90. Bunch of other specs on the back of the box here. One very important thing to remember when looking at these, you need to grab the box with the dark stain here. That indicates freshness. Cut some straps. Bum, bum, bum. Oh, some shit went flying. What does a guy actually get with one of these? Well, traditional Harbor Freight manual. We've got some air cleaners. I know a number of people in the reviews on Harbor Freight have complained about it being a weird, non-standard size of some sort. I'm not sure what a standard size would be. But you got a cover that opens and closes. Ba-doop-doop. It's got a nice, got kind of a foam pre-cleaner. And there's your paper element. We'll put that right back together so we don't lose any bits. Not bad. Okay, plastic bag. Well, what you get is this. Oh, don't forget the oil. It is heavy. A big flywheel. Let me grab the camera and do a walk around tour. Kind of more of a close-up walk around tour of this guy. Cover, air cleaner. There's your threaded, looks about 3/4. Thread that onto the head. Good size flywheel. Gonna need 2 A-belts. There's a nice guide in the owner's manual about what size pulley you need on your motor. This is the part that gets a lot of comments here, the air outlet. I'll look in the manual. I know some of them I've seen have got, yeah, this weird setup. You've got, some people say it's some sort of a HVAC thread. Other people have said it is British Standard thread, or the same as like garden hose. That's something we're going to find out here in the future. Got a nice sticker on there. I believe this is your oil fill. In the back there, you've got your breather. Exciting stuff. Your threads are for spinning on your air filter. You know, not much to see here. If all goes well, in the next few days, we'll get this guy mounted up. Hey, you're still watching. You're great. You know that you're a fantastic human being. Want to thank all 498 current subscribers for watching. And if you aren't subscribed, you know, subscribe and like and all of the YouTube-y stuff. See you later.